Oh my god, I got it in my eye. Oh, this is so hard. Are you kidding? Oh my god, one of the lights went out. Are you kidding? Oh, that's just me. It wasn't getting plugged in right. Yeah, I don't think this is how you do it. Let's try this. I keep failing. I keep failing. Now where did that go? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Update, I got a boo-boo. Insert some photos right now. The hair life almost took a chunk out of my finger. Serious stuff, bro, serious stuff. Quick lesson, don't talk if you got scissors in your hand. Second lesson, if you're gonna talk, don't talk personal because you don't focus and you zone out. So excited to film this video. Been through so much, going through so much, and yeah, I mean, you can kind of get a hint if you watch my last video on my personal video. I mean, more has happened, not gonna talk about it, so we're just gonna move on to something that's more positive, and that's actually this. You guys are probably like, what the heck is in there? You can see nice and big letters. It says Testa, and it also says wake up and makeup, but this is actually from a company called, and it's on the title, BelleChloe. So they have an awesome website, and such exciting news, by the way. They actually give me a 10% discount code for you guys, so check out their stuff. I mean, they sent me this so that way I can try it out on camera for you guys. I keep it real, so I guess you can say this is a sponsored video, but they're not paying me for this video. They just sent me their products so I can try it out, which is so amazing. I'm gonna leave everything in the description. So their website, the info, the discount code should be Yaya10. Everything's gonna be in the description. So if you're interested in purchasing anything, which they got great prices, bam, everything is in the thing. And it's not an affiliate link, so I do not get paid if you use my code. Like, no, it's not like, oh my god, Jacqueline Hill, I get paid if you purchase with my code. No, I've probably been wondering what this is this whole entire time. It's magnetic lashes. They sent two, so I'm kind of curious. It's style, shapes, I don't know, I haven't opened it. It's seriously glued shut. Like, I had this for days and I've just been waiting for this. So what I'm going to do is actually my makeup first, and then we'll keep the excitement till the end. I know the anticipation is killing me. It's okay. I'm gonna use the Anastasia, the Amrezy highlighter. I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone, my inner corners, just to give some pizzazz. Stila One Step, the color corrector primer. Just squeeze some out on the brush. Pat, 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 and I like to just focus this on areas where I'm just a little bit more red, the T-zone. I have the Giorgio Armani, the Luminous Silk, and this shade's actually really nice and it wears so beautifully. The Huda Beauty Concealer in Graham Cracker. This is great. It's thick, but it just blends so good that you don't see no dark circles. Like, bam, bam. My cousin was so nice enough when I went to New York in January. She gave me this palette, so I'm just gonna go in with a nice, I love this brown shade right here. Just gonna go in with that. And I'm just gonna throw it all over the lid. Right, so let's try something else out. I actually have the Pretty Vulgar bronzer. That's not bad. No, it's not bad. Just gotta bring it down everywhere so that way it can just all connect. Bring it down to the neck. Because I know all of this is much more golden. This is more of like a tan scene. So you just gotta even everything out. Your blush, the Laura Geller. I've been using this like crazy. Just grab a little bit of that. Throw it up, and it has a sheen to it, so you don't necessarily need highlight because this has a basic 2-in-1. The Ambreezy highlight and really make it glow. Have my Catrice setting spray that I hate the smell of it. It's great because I get oily pretty fast and it lasts really long, but that smell smells like I'm taking sewer and I just dropped it on my face. It's ridiculous. I hate it. With my L'Oreal Rumulus Base Primer. This is drying out already. So annoying, but it was on sale when I got it for, what, $5? Can't really complain much. I just haven't found a primer that I'm absolutely in love with. This is the Lancome Monterey. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Alright, the Fenty Beauty. Oh my god, I talked about this with you guys and I haven't showed you. This is the banana powder. I absolutely love it. Love, 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 love it. This is the concealer brush and I just dip in the powder. And it is so easy because it goes right underneath. So you're hitting all of that under eye. Like this is an 0 for 1, just dust it all away. And just go bam. 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 There we go. Now open up one of them. I'm so excited to see how this looks. And I never wear false lashes, by the way. I don't even know how to put on false lashes with the glue. It also comes with this little tweezer device to put it on. Nice little case. Ooh, magnetic eyelashes. 1 case, 2 pairs. This is adorable. Yeah. Oh my god, this case is so luxurious. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is a lot. And nice, beautiful mirror. This is awesome. I hope this doesn't blind you, the mirror part. I'm gonna try to cover it so you can see everything. You have singles, you have a full, like 2 bands, a top and bottom, or the left and right. Let's open the other one, see what we're working with in this one. Whoa, whoops, whoopsie. Okay, it's another case. This is, it says the same thing. We got the same exact thing, so I guess it's just to play with it in case if one goes bad. So this is for your left eye, this is for your right eye. Then all the singles are to basically connect them into place. Oh my god, I got it in my eye. Oh my god, that completely hurt. Yep, I think I'm done with this. Oh my god, that hurt so bad. Oh. Oh my god, the whole thing just fell in my freaking eye. And there was like a million of hairs attacking me. Oh. Close your eyes. Open slightly. Okay. Now just squish it into my lashes. And then there's this one. Way too long. It's actually really pretty. I finally got it, guys, after like an hour. Put eyeliner on so that way you can't really tell that you have falsies on. For people that don't use lashes, warning, this crap is hard as heck. But if you're so familiar with lashes, like if you do falsies all the time, this might be a little easier. You just have to throw from this experience that I just learned, closing your eyelashes and playing with it, like patting them in with your regular lashes is good, keeping it closed, and then lifting up slowly, throw the bottom one on, and then it flips up. So the singles, that was very traumatizing. It legit went into my whole entire eye, and I was like blinking, and somehow it came out. I do like it. I do like the style. I do like how it is. It doesn't really feel heavy. You obviously do feel them on. Very great. Comes with a little tweezer itself. So my review, personally, am I gonna wear them? I don't know. I might get used to it. I might love them. Do I totally choose magnetic lashes over glue? 100%. So much easier. Don't want to deal with glue. I just feel like magnetic is just so much better. Don't have to worry about the glue stuff, and to take them off is super easy as well. You literally just pinch it. I mean, you saw me do it 1,000 times, but you just pinch it down, and then just swipe away, and it comes off. It's just something you have to get used to, you know. Other than that, go check out BelleChloe, see what else they have. They don't just have lashes. Check out all of their items. I mean, this was very awesome to try. Thank you so much, BelleChloe, and for letting me do a review on these guys. They stay right in place. They're, no matter how many times I blink, like, this is gonna be very high quality. Plus, they're gonna last a whole lot longer than the glue ones, because eventually it gets tacky and gross. This is magnetic, so you're good. Throw them in a case and you're good to go. But the longer I look at it, the more happier I am. Now I know how to put on lashes, magnetic lashes. So thanks to you guys, I know how to do it. You guys, go check out BelleChloe, get your own magnetic lashes. Use my code Yaya10 to get 10% off of them. It was really awesome to try this out, and I can't wait to play with it more. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment. Tell a friend to subscribe. Share this video with others. You guys have a blessed day. Bye. Oh my gosh. I wish I had natural lashes like this. This is freaking beautiful.